Hi, I am Dr. Mackenzie McNamara with the Food Enzyme Institute. Here's something that a lot of healthcare practitioners are missing and what you can do to help yourself. What is health? Health is a normal condition of the body with all parts, including the mind, working normally and in homeostasis. What is disease? Disease is disturbed function. In the chiropractic world, we talk about ease, being in a state of health and ease, and dis-ease, or the body developing signs and symptoms as you move away from ease into the nameable diseases that medicine treats. We don't treat any disease. We don't even treat symptoms. What we do is look for normal physiology and then see where your body is deviating from what's normal and optimal. This is a totally different approach than treating disease. This is an approach where we're supporting the body to create health and do what the body is designed to do, which is heal itself. Now, sometimes the body needs a little bit of extra support, and that's where the Food Enzyme Institute trained practitioners come in. We have a system of viscerosomatic reflexes where we're able to use our hands to touch your body, and your body can tell us through involuntary muscle contraction at specific reflex points what is going on inside and which organs or systems of the body need a little bit of extra support. Health is the harmonious integration of cellular activities of the various systems of the body in response to an ever-changing environment. So we have an external environment that is always changing, and we have an internal environment. It's in this internal environment within our bodies that we maintain what's called homeostasis. The environment in which every cell lives is called your internal environment, or the extracellular fluid. It is through this extracellular fluid that each cell is able to receive oxygen and nutrition and is able to excrete waste. The necessity of maintaining this internal environment, the extracellular fluid for your cells, is one of the most important concepts to grasp when it comes to creating, restoring, and maintaining a healthy body. Now, this internal environment needs to be maintained in relatively constant conditions. This is called homeostasis. So there's a dynamic balance of what's in this extracellular fluid that determines our health and well-being and how healthy each cell is able to be. The concept of maintaining homeostasis, this internal environment for the cells, is the single most important concept to grasp when it comes to unraveling and understanding the body's systems and organs and how they relate and connect to each other. After all, we know that we and our bodies are more than the sum of our parts. There's an innate intelligence within us, and our job is to learn how to work with it and to find practitioners who also know how to do that to help us regain and maintain health. Your Food Enzyme Institute practitioner is expertly trained in homeostasis, in the normal, healthy function of the human body, and is uniquely able to discern when someone has deviated from this healthy normal and to know what to do about it to support you. We know and teach that there are no new processes in disease. There are only normal processes that are going too fast, too slow, or that are out of sync with the need and timing of the body. You may be wondering what part of our body is responsible for maintaining this very important thing, homeostasis. The part of the brain that maintains homeostasis is called the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is the only part of the brain that is not protected by the blood-brain barrier. This means it's exposed to the extracellular fluid, which allows it to receive extra information about what's happening in the internal environment, which is maintained in the extracellular fluid. The hypothalamus thus is exposed to the extracellular fluid and is able to make decisions about what needs to happen within the body and the cells to maintain health. The hypothalamus is the master endocrine gland and is also a part of the autonomic nervous system. It connects and communicates with every single organ and organ system, and affects how they are able to respond to stress. One of the most important questions to ask is not how can I get rid of the symptom, it's how can I create the ideal environment for my cells and my body to heal. So rather than chasing symptoms, let's find a practitioner who can help you ask different questions like, Where is my body struggling to maintain homeostasis? And how can I create an internal environment to allow my body to regain homeostasis, optimal function, and to feel and heal the best that I can? Find a Food Enzyme Institute practitioner near you who can walk you through this process. And if you're a practitioner, we do seminars year-round to train in our systems so that you too can help your community in maintaining health and homeostasis and breaking free of chasing disease and symptoms.